One of the things I love making are my painted home decor trays. And these tend to sell really well, I think, because it doubles as a functional piece as well as a piece of art. People use them on their coffee tables, serve food on them, even hang them on the wall. They make great bridal shower gifts, housewarming gifts, wedding gifts. If you like these trays and you are interested in trying to make one of your own, I have figured out the process and it's relatively easy and a lot of fun. If you're interested in seeing how I make them, stick around, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Anna from Anna Coin Art, and I'm so glad you're here with me today. I'm going to show you a demo video of how I make my trays and talk you through the process. I hope you enjoy. First, I make sure my tray is clean and level. I buy these trays from Target. They're solid acacia wood and they work great. Next, I am going to layer my paints in this cup, and I have already mixed them. I use acrylic paint, Floetrol, and water. And I do about half acrylic and half Floetrol, which is a paint conditioner that I use as a pouring medium. And then I add water after mixing those two together until it gets to the right consistency. This was a custom tray, so I picked colors based on what the client liked, and I'm just layering them in a way that I think will look cool, trying to put colors together that complement each other or will interact well when they mix. For this tray, I'm using the famous flip cup pour technique. It's really fun. Just put the tray upside down on the cup, and then I wait a little bit just to let the paint kind of flow down, and it begins to mix together. And then this is my favorite part, just lifting the cup off and seeing what the paint does. It already looks really cool. I'm excited to watch what it does as it spreads out. And I always love the pretty design left on the cup after this technique. Next, I'm using a torch. I just use a kitchen torch with butane fuel. And this pops all the air bubbles, and it also helps to bring out those cells, those cool little circular, those bubble looking things you see. Now I'm gonna tilt the tray and spread the paint out, try to kind of encourage a neat design. The fun thing is a lot of this is random, but you also have control over certain things such as how you move the paint around, which colors you choose, and how you layer them and how much you use. Consistency of your paint. You just kind of have to play around with it until you find what works and what you like. So I think the design is looking really, really neat. But I'm gonna play with it. I always like to make some tweaks and customize it a little bit more. Next, I like to work on the composition until I'm happy with the design. Sometimes I leave it as it is, but usually I tweak it until it's unique and balanced in the way that I like it. At this point, you can add or move the paint around. You can pour more paint on. However, I found it can be easy to overdo it. So if you like the design, feel free to just leave it here. I'm just using the torch one more time to get rid of any last little air bubbles. Now it's time for the tray to dry. I give it a good 2 weeks before embellishing with gold or silver leaf and finishing it. I'm giving you the close-up here. This is outside in the natural light. I'm really happy with how this one turned out. After it's dried, then I love to embellish the tray with gold or silver leaf. I think it gives an extra touch of luxe and just makes it look so striking. So I'm applying the adhesive size, which is basically like glue, and then placing the gold leaf on top. If you're interested in watching a video on a gold leaf tutorial where I give all my best tips about applying gold leaf, etc., leave me a note in the comments and I will try to make that video. So I've finished adding the gold leaf and now I'm just going to brush away the excess with a soft paintbrush and my finger, and then I will clean up the extra gold foil with a vacuum cleaner to make sure I get all those little specks. I think the tray already looks really awesome like this, but it is not quite finished yet. To give it that glossy, polished look on the top, we are going to add some resin. So I'm mixing the resin with resin hardener here, and then I'm going to pour it over the top, distribute it evenly, and let it cure. Again, if you want to see a video on how to apply resin to these trays, just including all the little tricks that I've learned along the way, let me know and I can try to make that video. Popping the air bubbles again. And there it is. There's the finished tray. It takes 3 days to cure after resin's applied. And that is how it looks. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I had a lot of fun. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. You can click the button down in the right hand corner or scroll down below the video and hit it there. I would be so excited to see your name pop up as a new subscriber. And when you subscribe to my channel, it is free and it lets me know to continue to make videos of what I love and share them with you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.